We say semi-year can
we are begging. We are begging.
Bongo.
Bongo, we on our knees.
Bongo as oh yeah, iwe nunu ho. Kojo Fani Boni Chano. Yes, Bongo cannot stand this. 170 dabanda. Efene adwuma mpodo mbeye adwuma wo wufia. Erutua na ahen na Bongo wenya the miskey. Yes, brother Kojo Forex. Judge so, yes, Judge, with all due respect. Next time when he cares about, shall you put a background?
Only so when he court order, because only lawyer crap or be defended over court.
Oh, Bongo.
Only lawyer.
Bongo and your lawyer.
When your lawyer. Uncle was about number 4 as lawyer.
Dabi, you get the case watching us so better. Oh, but anyway, on the serious side in Bongo, yes, our brother, we love you. But I think Nimpe biye which anabeye BBI Bongo ideas. Yes, rawa if ye nya mon kids agra or the cow baby fee.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it? You get it? If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it. Yes, yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie, all the lie, all the lie. All the lie.
Talk to the rich.
Yes, sir. Able to afford ahead of your Parko Rich Studios. We're from DJ Parko Rich.
Yeah, man.
Some issues they go on for Ghana.
Yeah, matters the time.
Hey, Asaba West Chroma honey. Your brother Bongo ideas. Waka fa Sababa. But today be about brother PKB.
Yeah, man.
PKB. We the studios.
We did the building.
PKB.
Original Chimfo. So
Washa. PKB.
Yeah, man.
I say, what Bongo ideas go carry come?
So,
what be the problem?
What Bongo ideas go carry come be say they slap Bongo ideas with 170,000 Ghana cedi defamation suit.
What's there?
Yeah.
Bongo ideas.
What's Bongo ideas?
Where's you na hin?
Yeah, 170,000.
Former 1.7 billion. Now that means kind of bread or kafa
I say big question.
No, I had then. All
right, so what happened? Let's do an introspection back into what Bongo did some few years back. So in 2022, right?
Yeah.
I think Kojo Forex and Bongo met at a particular event somewhere, and Bongo moved to Kojo Forex that, Chairman, I want to make you help me make money, because we know Kojo Forex to be a leading guy when it comes to forex trading. Forex trading is where when currencies are going up, you put your money on, and then you should check out what forex trading is all about. That's what Kojo Forex does, and he's able to run courses online for people to partake in, to be able to learn how to also make money. So Bongo also wanted to learn how to make money from Kojo Forex.
Whoa.
But be like, the conversation don't really go down well. So your man moved to Kojo Forex on the social media, DM Kojo Forex. Oh, Charlie Baba, what may you talk about for the event? No, Charlie, if you help me make money. Oh.
Show us the way.
Show us the way. Where your man goes, Bongo ideas. But it be like the ghosting ping Bongo. It go on. It going dodo inside. So as the thing go your mind dodo inside, where your man say, hey, we know Bongo ideas to be talking about people online on X and all of that. He go move to you right now. If you say either you get problem. And that was exactly what he did. He made some damning comments about Kojo Forex on X, all the way to the extent that he was even calling the guy a fraud. Say the guy, the forex trading they do, or be like get illegal businesses where they do where they take making money, because Charlie, your man, they drive Tesla, they buy cars, they fly to Dubai, up and about. They live their life. Kojo Forex, they live their life, and the same life your man to want to live some. But Charlie, be like Kojo Forex don't mind him because he knows him to be one type of a guy who is always moving to people in a negative light, which is actually not helping your man. And then so as your man do that, where Kojo say, Jack, 2022 na away, or the men through you be right 2023, or more 2023 somewhere in January, February, where your man take your man go court. But from 2023 till now, 2025 is how we did. Now court, Accra High Court passed judgment. Justice forcing a Japan.
Where will be the judgment?
The judgment be say your man for pay 170K. Aside that, to 3 things if for do. Those ones there, I think say your man go fit do
What's also here?
Because those other three it go fit do, but the 170k there,
How
that
the-
Buzanga bike
let's see the possible ones where you go feed.
So the possible ones where Bongo, I think Bongo go fit be go fit do where the court say make it do ASAP. Say he should go ahead and apologize publicly to Kojo Forex.
Okay,
For the damning comment he made. Yes.
Yes.
On online, the same medium he used to defame Kojo Forex, he should use the same medium to apologize. That's one. Two, he should retract all the statements he made on X against Kojo Forex. He should retract all of it. Those are the two. And the third one, why you?
What be the third one?
The third one be say, be like, I apology, retract, and what else? Me I forget, but the 170k
What's
be
on
the,
here?
be the main thing. That be your man, Bongo ideas. He dey
But
on him Buzanga bike.
Merba. Now let me also share my kasakaka on this thing. Kojo, bra Kojo Jowoda, pa Kojo, Kojo, Yasrawala, Ebe, Yera, who Bongo Mobile, Albert Hyde. Now while I'm sure they are Brentie, he's not fit to do this. Brother Kojo, Yasrawa. Bongo ideas. That man 170,000 Ghana cedis in his own training. Chida okwa Tony kidney. Another okwa Tony liver. He's our brother. I say, Nyanka say, I be a pachawa man. Yeah, you there. One can ye cry.
Cry in another's voice.
But the miskana part 170,000 Ghana citizen. The electro, yeah, brother, the mude on chia. Or today, or ye Guinness Balambo. It is one of the blade error trotro. Brother, enya she wo Bongo no. Bongo ni weti na ya nano. Brother, Monsho Bongo nano. Na mfano kwa to jail.
Charlie.
Because a kada Bongo na dofumpo one contributes na one first come koi Bongo wo be jailer. We can't. I'm a lover of Bongo. I love Bongo things.
Yeah, see.
But China ni bicycle yo king.
Nah, you know.
Online you know property your wo.
And I know go bet 10 cents old today.
It's a CCR brother Bongo robot on bike here him. Not the court your court suit. Into your someone with all due respect, brother Kojo Forex. Yeah, brother. You have found that agreeing on your reason, even though there defamation kakra. Yes, sir. Hey, Kotoje Ogufom.
How can you go online and call somebody a fraud?
Was so you semi-year can
We are begging. We are begging.
Choma Bongo.
Bongo, we on our knees.
Bongo as oh yeah, we no ho. Kojo Fanny Boni Chano. Yes, sir. Bongo cannot stand this. 170 da benda. Efe na edwuma mpodo mbeye edwuma wo wufia. Erutua na hen na Bongo wenya de miski. Yesra brother Kojo Forex. Judge so yesra judge with all due respect. Next time when he cares about shey you put the background.
Only say when see court order cause only lawyer crap or be defended the court.
Oh Bongo.
Only lawyer.
Bongo enya lawyer.
When your lawyer. Nko what's up number 5 as lawyer.
Dabi you get the case watch that so better. Oh, but anyway, on the serious side in Bongo, yes, our brother, we do love you. But I think Nipe Biashe, which Anabeye BBI, Bongo ideas, yes, our if you monkey zagra, or the cow baby fee.
Of course, can be fee.
You understand? We all did this up top. What's in the beer bonhuna and me or baka? You understand? So ya nukoro brother. Shede so what you jina court today defender botuma. If you cannot defend what you are talking about, brother, kawani fa pado.
Kawani pado.
Because abayini masamana the government issues and court financing as and wariju.
Charlie.
You would pay money to somebody when that money and one can say you haven't dreamt of spending that money. It's brother Bongo. Yes, sir. What's your to a jambo for a to my so for? We they advise you that the madi say in him na escape papa and you be number be far. Shashawana BBA you walk to kumin. Nang one in ye. don't go and play with the sikafo. Boy, you make sure the checks kakana cars na azo wana yo ochuwin. Seven driving me rompo bar. Bo and two monto. Inti se wo bibi kan. Montreal social media. I will cover with them. Catch our girlfriend or Kojo today. Man bakawa app no china was the court because what can for evidence about two my fam ba. So we they beg you, bra Kojo, easy. My young fan bra, young febushi paying, young shame peeping paying freebie. Now one can on a yamba pacha woman. Anyway,
of course, third and final one is a court no say man in try say obeka Kojo Forex one sem biom.
Hey,
oh baby,
and I tell the sissy and what the band are to Bongo ideas now no day. So she'll be our friend Kojo be a dollar baha on for day. Make you no crasher, make you no meet time.
Make you no try.
I say.
Oh, it's good. Explain.
Tired. Now 170. What's on 20 installments? Another what this year?
Honestly,
did they take full payments or you go fit pay them?
Full payments.
And a full payment you can sky judge. Oh, Bongo, how you quite on by skinny spokes here?
I think it's a female judge in Quarantine or Moon.
Hey. May I show the judge and also Watson and Cap? Albert, how when you Bongo ideas now? All in the more true day.
And I say, be your corner now, Barney, he said, I'm here, I'll be between a banana. Resist color.
Now, I'm what seem prank or topic is cinema. Why, Yana Bay, $170 billion.
Charlie.
But anyway, Bongo could say, aye. What say?
Sorry.
Make up a baby, and then bear then enough. And can numbers na trends na yellow pin akafasa mamu.
Oh, Charlie.
But in here is a bear in Ochna, another Humachi Alpha, where Bokona Yabon Payamo. So that the Lord will intervene. But up and there physically, yen show cash that could you yen ye be my Bongo. Into as a batch and our fetching, wish you an answer. Aye. Guys, Joe Lati, also. Over to you. We out of here. Charlie, I don't want peace. I want problem. Always.
You get it. If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it. Yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie. He said all the lie.
Power to the rich.